YouTube, Facebook, Gary with Stack Carpet Cleaning in Louisville, Kentucky. Just wanted to show you all a little bit of vacuuming action with my Shark. I've had this vacuum for about 3 weeks. It's been great so far. I love the maneuverability, the extra high capacity dirt cup on it. You know, the fact that it's very lightweight, easy to get in and out and to transport around. So let me go ahead and show you what this vacuum can do. So anyway, there's a little bit of vacuuming action for you. I apologize about the extra clanking around. Must be something, the vacuum does kind of create a little bit of a tornado action, especially in the top, I find. And so that's what's clanking around in there. But anyway, as you can see, it does a very good job. And just off of the master bedroom, the bonus room, hallway, 2 walk-in closets, and this little bit that I've done, let's take a look at how much I've been able to get out of this carpet. That was completely empty when I came in. So it's really getting some stuff out of the carpet there. So anyway, if we can be of assistance, just give us a call. Stack Carpet Cleaning, 502-702-1270. Thanks.